Ano lang gusto nila.
Sir, natanong,
Kanya-kanya trabaho yan.
sir, natanong po sa forum kanina, on drugs daw and criminality, meron ba daw sa Davao City na naparusahan na big wigs or just the poor po yun?
Marami. You know, ang problema nito, I've been looking for the millionaires to do it. I could hardly find one. I'd be happy to accommodate millionaires. Pero ang problema, karamihan yung mga mahirap na naging awash with money now. Some of them here are law enforcement officers, especially Manila. Wala kasi akong nakita na anak ni wala namang but it happened to hindi man ako namimili. Mas mabuti pa ka kung meron para talaga sa mailabas mo talaga yung justice for all.
Kaya lang on that point, mali kasi yung premise with all due respect. Yun ang sinasabi kasi ng kritiko sa national news na wala naman daw nahuhuling mayaman, mahirap. There's two ways to stop anything, di ba? You stop the whole
Sir, all right, 5 days after Pope Francis left, you've experienced joyous visit of the Pope, especially when he visited the United States. All right. But 5 days after that, we were shocked by the horrors. The euphoria were shattered by the horrors of Mama Santa Massacre. Would that have been prevented, and do you think that was going to